our top story, Kit Kardashian breaks her own record by divorcing ninth husband after only 72 hours.
Our top story on the Tom and Ben news. Frankly, folks, nothing is happening around here. Why? Oh, why is anyone gonna watch our news show in a town where nothing happens?
You can't just make news happen, unless you're Rupert Murdoch.
Yeah. Too bad you couldn't invent something that makes news.
Challenge accepted.
Take that, poser!
Behold, the Newserator 3000.
Ooh, a camera. Really? A camera?
Not just a camera, it makes news stories.
Uncle, I want to ride next. Me next.
You are live in 3, 2, 1.
Breaking news. Mystery UFO strikes downtown Nowheresville. Strange alien parrot aboard set upon by citizens. Epic win! The Tom and Ben news will be bigger than flying spaghetti in no time.
Booyah!
Ooh. A two-car pileup is snarling traffic on I-16.
Hey, those are our cars.
The missing drivers are being sought for questioning. Though, I'm sure they have a really, really good explanation.
Listen, you.
Huh? Flash, worst tornado on record strikes nearby trailer park. Ah!
Tom, this is gonna make us the wrong kind of famous.
Tom and Ben under investigation for making fake news. They made me do it.
Let's get him, Ben!
Freedom of the press. Workplace harassment increases. Sic semper tyrannis.
I was 50 points from leveling up, you noob!
Uncle, are we gonna be on the news tonight? No comment.